Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to enable admin approval on your WeChat group in order to stop unwanted people from joining your WeChat group. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is open up your WeChat. Having opened up your WeChat, next thing you need to do is to click on your group right here. So I'm going to click on my group. The next thing you need to do is to click on these three dots. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on manage group. And the next thing you need to do is to turn on this particular toggle button. It's that simple. So with that, anybody that wants to join your WeChat group, you will see their request right here. So what you need to do is to click on join request. It's that simple. So anybody that wants to join your WeChat group, you will see their name in the join request right here. What you need to do is to click on join request. Once you click on join request, the name is going to be listed right here. Then from here, you can approve their request or decline their request as the case may be. It's that simple. For more tutorial about WeChat topic like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.